Away they go. Bunch of horses fighting it out for the modern classic from the outside. I am on fire. Speedmaker. Rather Magnolia's classic from the outside. Speedmaker down on the inside. I am on fire. Run Queen racing import by Darrell and Major alongside his entry number 13 Lady King Bringer of Rain and rounding the far turn Magnolia's classic speed maker. Then here comes Run Queen racing on the outside. I am on fire. It's Magnolia's classic. Run Queen racing on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. It's still Magnolia's classic. Run Queen on the outside. Run Queen, Magnolia's classic down on the inside. And nearing the finish line. Run Queen, another JB Goose Mount. And finally, Run Queen. Second, Magnolia's classic, Lady King, I am on fire, Laun Laan.